హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈ వీడియోస్ గనక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, అలాగే పక్కన ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. In today's session we are going to discuss some basics of logarithms. So this is exponential form, that is a to the power of x is equals to n, and this is logarithmic form, that is this x is equals to log n base a. What if I have written b to the power of y is equals to n? This will become y is equals to log n base b. I have written x to the power of y is equals to z, then it will become y is equals to log z base x. So let us take some examples. For suppose 2 to the power of 4 is 16. This is in the form of what? A to the power of x is equals to n, whereas a is 2, x is 4 and n is 16. So now this is exponential form and we are converting it to what? Logarithmic form. So now what is the formula for logarithmic? X is equals to log n base a. Yes, so now what we have to do? Your x is equals to 4, so 4 is equals to log a value is how much? 2. Take 2 and n is equals to 16, 2 to the power of 16. So we can read it as what? Log 16 base 2. Yes, so let us take one more example, that is 3 cube is equals to 27. So this is converting exponential form into which form? Logarithmic form. So this is very basics. In order to make you understand, I have written very detailedly like this. Directly also we can write, that is a power x is equals to n. When we convert this into logarithmic form, what will get? X is equals to log n base a. So now what is x value? 3 is equals to log a value is 3 and n value is 27. So this is log 23 base 3 is equals to 3. In this, now here is the method for converting logarithmic form into exponential form. Now remember these two things, that is log n base a is equals to x and a power x is equals to n. So what they have given is log 36 base 6, right? So this is in the form of what? Log n base a. So let us consider this as x. So now this is in the form of this, that is log n base a is equals to x. Now what we have to do is a power x is equals to n, because this is a logarithmic form and we are going to convert that into exponential. So now a power x is equals to n. Now 6 power x is equals to, what is the value of n here? 36, right? We can convert this 36 as 6 square. So 6 power x is equals to 6 square. So now here the bases on both sides are equal, then powers should be equal, that is x is equals to 2. Hence your answer is 2. Now let's see one more problem, that is log 125 base 5. So by this directly we can solve, that is a power x is equals to n, 5 power x is equals to 125. Now 5 power x is equals to 5 cube, hence answer is x is equals to 3. This is your answer. So by this we got two methods, that is converting logarithmic to exponential and exponential to logarithmic function. Now let us see some simple laws for logarithms. Simple laws, that is log ab base x is equals to log a base x plus log b base x. this is 1, and next one is log a by b base x is equals to log a base x minus log b base x, and third one is log a to the power of mx is equals to, here there is a power on the top though, so it will become log m log a base x. These are the formulas. Let's see problems on this third law, which is very important. So let's solve one more problem, that is log 64 base root 2. So now we know both formulas, that is log n base a is equals to x and a power x is equals to n. Now we have to convert this logarithmic form into exponential. Before that we have to consider this logarithmic form as x. Now log 64 square root is equals to x. This is in the form of log n base a is equals to x, right? So now what we have to do this, we have to convert this into a power x is equals to n. So now what we will get, how to solve this? Let's see in detail. A power x, a is equals to root 2 and n is equals to 64. So x will be x. So now what we have to do, a power x is equals to n. So root 2 power x is equals to 64. So now convert this root 2 as, if we remove this root, we'll get power 1 by 2, right? So 2 to the power of 1 by 2 into x is equals to 64. So now convert this 64 into in the form of 2's. So what we will get, how to convert this 64? Let's see here, that is 64 divided by 2 in this method, that is 2 3's. Okay, this will be hard, don't follow this, I'll tell one more, that is 64 2 3's are 6, here remainder is 0, so take 4, that is 2 2's are 4, remainder is 0. So now how many times we'll get 64? That is, so this 64 we can do this method also, but this is LCM method. If anyone is perfect at this LCM method, they can do this also, but better whether this number is divisible or not. In order to cross check, I am doing this method, or else directly you can calculate like 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 2's are 32, 32 2's are 64. So how many 2's? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2 to the power of 1 by 2 x is equals to 2 to the power of how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 to the power of 6. So now bases are same, so powers should be equal, that is 1 by 2 x is equals to 6. Now take this 2 to this side, that is x is equals to 6 into 2, x is equals to 12 is your answer. Within a very shortcut we can do this, but in order to explain you, I am doing this much detailedly. So let's do one more problem, that is log 9 base 81. So now consider log 9 base 81 is equals to x. So take this as a power x is equals to n. Yes. So now what we can do, 81 power x is equals to 9. So now 81 power x, we can change this 9 square as 3 square, and this 81 power x also we can change, that is 3 power 4 x is equals to 3 square. Now what we will get, here bases are same, that's why I am not repeating much. So bases are same, powers should be equal, that is 4x is equals to 2, that is x is equals to 2 by 4, 2 1's are 2 2's are is equals to 1 by 2 is your answer. So for more updates, subscribe to my